2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper for sale in Billings, Montana 59105. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper. This luxury slide-in camper has a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4. It has been very well maintained and is ready to make camping experience that more enjoyable. This 2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality living experience. You can easily make this spacious camper your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include built-in In Onan 2500 generator, 400-watt solar system with MPPT controller and 2 125-watt AGM sealed BatteriesDry bathroom, 1 full-length SlideQueen size BedNew, Torklift, Fastgun tie DownsLots storage, and so much more. This 2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This 2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper is priced well below its true value. Call today for more information on how this incredible 2010 Artic Fox 1150 Slide-In Camper can be yours.